A team of scientists uncovered this fossil specimen in China. In question 2, you will use your observations of the physical features of this fossil to place it on the cladogram at point A, B, C, or D. Small amounts of soft tissue were discovered that allowed scientists to extract DNA nucleotides from the tissue and use the information to sequence several genes. You will compare these sequences in a blast analysis to refine your placement of the fossil species on the cladogram. How do we do a blast analysis when given a sequence of nucleotides? We'll start with the first sequence. It's listed in the Moodle as a resource called Fossil Gene 1. When you click on the resource, the FASTA DNA sequence opens in a pop-up window. Copy the Fossil Gene 1 sequence to your clipboard and go to the NCBI BLAST site Mr. Anderson mentioned, bit.ly/DNABLAST2. Since we already have the sequence of DNA that we are investigating, we don't need to go to the first site he mentions. Under Basic BLAST, click on Nucleotide BLAST and paste the FASTA sequence into the query box. Title this search Fossil Gene 1. Click the Database Radio button labeled Other. We're going to search the database titled Nucleotide Collection, so select that from the database's drop-down menu and search for highly similar sequences. Click on the BLAST button at the bottom of the page and wait while the search takes place. As Mr. Anderson did, scroll down the page to see if the alignments provided can help you refine your placement of the fossil on the cladogram. You may need to look up species to find out what they are. Looking at the distance tree of results in the slanted view may also help you think about where to place the fossil on the cladogram based on the species with close alignment to the fossil gene. Do the same for the other 3 fossil genes and use all of your information to place the fossil on the cladogram. Be prepared to present your conclusions in a brief essay that includes the following information. Where did you place the fossil on the cladogram based on the physical findings, and why? Where did you think it fit after looking at the BLAST results for Fossil Gene 1, and why? Did you alter your hypothesis based on the BLAST results for the other fossil genes? Why or why not? Your teacher will let you know how to submit your essay.